Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA T20. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And as you can see, this is the homepage of this app. From here you can add payment method or add different types of cards. Then we can check all of our payment methods, check full list of participating banks, our activity, and settings. In settings you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.